Nginx has vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers, leading to ransom demands and severe consequences for organizations. Nginx was designed in 2002 and now powers over 25% of the world's websites due to its efficient handling of traffic. Despite its success, Nginx has faced security vulnerabilities including buffer overflows and denial of service attacks. CVE 28-16843 allowed attackers to exploit HTTP2 connections, leading to server crashes without ransom demands. CVE 20-25649 let attackers execute arbitrary code, often resulting in ransom demands. Nginx patched it swiftly. CVE 2021-23017 caused service crashes via HTTP2. While no ransom was demanded, businesses faced downtime. To exploit Nginx vulnerabilities, attackers identify weak versions and craft malicious requests to take control. Financial implications from Nginx exploits include ransomware, service downtime, and reputational damage. Organizations can protect against Nginx vulnerabilities by implementing regular updates and secure configurations. The cybersecurity community's timely response, including patch deployment, is vital in mitigating these vulnerabilities. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insights into security.